Hi guys, welcome to my vlog Jamantaka17. Today we are here at Helmets Mall once again. Today it's going to be an interesting video, not in terms of helmets or certifications, but in terms of designs. There are some latest designs in the market which are like very stunning to look. You might have not seen them anywhere yet because they are just arrived into stores and being distributed. So today it's all about these funky, stunning designs, and with no further ado, let's get to the video. Hi Yashwan,
Hi bro, how are you?
doing awesome.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you and all our subscribers.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, bro. God bless. So Yashwan is going to take us through the latest designs and trends in the helmet.
Actually, there are many new designs which have come, and the helmet brands also are adapting to the current generation, current trends of the helmets. And starting with, there's a new model from the House of Axar.
Yes.
This is called Axar Brutale.
Yes.
And to tell you one more thing, this is the first helmet in the world to have dual spoilers.
Okay.
You can see here,
Yes.
this is a dual spoiler helmet.
Yes. This would appropriately match a BMW.
Yeah, this is actually a BMW color, white,
Yes.
red and blue.
Yes. Yes. So this being a new helmet, can you go into the details of?
Yeah, the certifications is like everything, it's totally certified. DOT, EC 2206,
Yes.
ISA, everything.
Yes.
And you get in Pinlock 70 anti-fog also.
Yes.
Comes with an visor lock, dual visor. It has got nylon spandex fabric. And it's emergency to pull cheek pads also.
Got it.
The padding is very smooth and very comfortable to wear.
Yes.
It has got speaker pockets also. Basically the shell is a polycarbonate shell.
Yeah.
And you can see the helmet. It's a very lightweight helmet.
Got it.
Basically mainly for touring.
Yes. So this is I own Axar Apex. So the
Next
finish
version.
next
Next
level
version, next level and next version of Apex.
Apex, and the finishing looks
Awesome.
awesome. Yes.
And we have many colors also in this.
Okay. So what would be the weight of this helmet?
Weight of the helmet, there are two shells actually.
Okay.
S and M is one shell, L and XL is one shell.
Okay.
In S and M it will weigh approximately 1500 to 1550 grams.
And what would be the price of?
Price of the helmet is 7990.
Okay.
We have many colors in this also.
Yes.
Red. This is a red and grey version.
Someone with a red bike would choose this to match their gear. Nice. Even the paint finish has gone up a notch
gone
in
up, yeah,
quality.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I could
Quality is
feel
gone
that.
up.
I could
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that with the gloss and the finish.
Yes, yes.
I guess they have put more amount of efforts with the clear
the
coat
making,
and
yes,
the
yes,
finishing,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. There is matte black color also.
Yes.
Glass black color also in this.
Yes.
And again, this is one of the fastest selling models in LS2. This is LS2 Stream 2,
Yes.
and it's 100% worth what the money you pay. For 7,100 rupees, it's got everything.
Okay.
It has got emergency to pull cheek pads. It has got a very good lining, visor lock, double visor.
Yes.
It has got EC 2206 certified and both IS certified. The shell is made up of KPA. KPA is in patented LS2 shell. The abbreviation of this is kinetic polymer alloy.
So no one else does
Can
the
use the
shell.
shell, yeah.
Yes, got it.
It's exclusively for LS2.
Okay. And they have a lot of shell sizes. I
Lot
believe.
of shells. It has got 3 shell sizes.
Got it.
S1 shell, XS and S1 shell, M and L1 shell, XL and 2XL1 shell.
So the rider gets his most suitable fit.
Suitable fit, and the shell size also will be smaller.
Got it.
There are many colors in this, like n number of colors. There is no place to showcase all the colors.
Yes. So viewers can always ping you for the availability.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
We have 15 to 20 colors, 20 graphics in this model.
Got it. And the weight of this would be?
Weight of the helmet is 4500 grams.
Got it. So next we have Storm 2, I believe.
And this is LS2 Storm 2. This is also a very good selling model.
Yes.
This is also in KPA shell helmet. And the weight of the helmet is also very lightweight. The weight of this is 1450 grams.
Okay.
You get dual visor and comes with Pinlock 70 anti-fog.
Yes.
This is also in fully removable washable padding. And this is also in KPA shell helmet, EC 2206 certified.
Got it. So the price of this would be
Price of this is 11,000.
slightly higher.
Slightly higher because you have got Pinlock.
Yes.
The Pinlock 70 is included in the helmet. In this, you have to buy in Stream 2, you have to buy the Pinlock separately.
Got it. So then we have this SMK retro old
The
school.
SMK retro helmet. This is an old school helmet.
Yes.
People who
This
like
is for some Harley.
old school
cruisers,
people who like old school
choppers.
designs,
Yes.
they can go for this helmet.
Looks old school, but is top notch with safety
Safety standards, everything.
Yes.
EC, dot and IC, all three safety standards it comes.
Yes.
This also has got pin lock.
Wow, brilliant.
Pin lock.
So it's a fusion of old school style
school and
meeting new
safety standard.
safety standards. Yes. Looks nice.
And again, this is a dual sport helmet from Exxon.
Yes.
This is a new color. Just
Yes.
come.
Yes. I own a design of Axor.
The name of this graphics is Gambling.
Gambling. Okay. Apparently, it's banned in
Yeah.
India now. Yes.
The name of the graphics is Gambling.
Okay. Looks really funky. I own this helmet and I'll be putting up images of the helmet I own. Looks really cool in that red,
White and red.
white and red adventure series, right?
Yes.
So next we have this from Axor for
It's
our.
already told.
Yes,
Everyone
yes,
know about
yes.
this helmet.
Yes.
There is nothing new to tell.
Yes, I know. But for our latest young gen who are into superheroes and anime.
Yeah, it's an Captain America helmet, Marvel collab.
Yes. So the price of that would be?
This is 6,500.
Got it. So this came across very striking to me, the finish, the color, the design. So this, what is the design called?
Infinity.
Infinity. Got it. Somebody with bike like Mr. Clean.
Gold,
Chrome.
gold color. People who like gold color.
Very interesting design. So I used to see such designs usually on those high-end imported
Helmets, yes.
helmets, but our brands are also
Making such kind of helmets.
such kind of helmets and designs.
graphics.
So, due to popular demand and Naruto fan base, another Naruto helmet, guys. This is Sasuke edition, and looks really cool. Would match our Yamaha R15 blue.
Blue color.
Yes. The price of this would be?
This is 4,750.
Yes. And this, as you know, guys, very high in demand
Yes,
from the
Naruto,
youngsters.
yes.
Yes.
Naruto design.
Naruto. So the brand has already thought of you guys, the Gen Z kids and the millennials, and trying to keep up with the trends. And this is SMK. Which model is Titan? Stellar. Okay. This is a classic design, but this is new in the market, right?
Yes,
this design.
This design is new in the market.
Got it. Looks nice, bold and with stripes.
Yes.
So how much would be the price of
This
this?
is 4,400.
Okay. Ashwin, that was really interesting and cool. So what would you like to say about Helmet Small?
Hi guys. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone who are watching the video. And to sum up the video, I have showed you some of the best-selling models in our store. And we have so many graphics in this also, but we don't have enough space to showcase all the graphics to you in the video. If anyone wanted any graphics in these models, you can ping me at any time. I'll be free to share you all the photos and all the details of the helmet. And we are located in Lal Bagh Road opposite Urvashi Theatre. We are into this business from past 25 years. We also do pan-India shipping also.
Yes.
People from all over the India can order a helmet with us and we'll get it shipped.
But they should be sure about the size.
Yeah, they should be sure about the size.
Size.
Size is also no problem. If the helmet doesn't fit them also, we give an exchange also.
Okay.
They can ship it back and we can ship the required size to them back.
So any slight discount my viewers would get?
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
That will be always.
So guys, it was an interesting video. The reason why I keep making videos at Helmet Small is they provide great service at a great pricing, and also they give great after sales support. All the spares are all the time available. With Helmet Small, you will never be disappointed because they have all sizes, all colors. Even in colors, there will be two versions, matte and glossy. They have it all. They keep a very vast inventory and they give you best prices all throughout the year. And that is why, to help you viewers make the right choice and get great value out of your helmet purchase, I keep making videos here. This is for the biking community I do, and this is not some paid promotion, guys. I just want to promote road safety. Some people have gotten it wrong. Apparently in the biking community, I do it to promote road safety. Please, to get your helmet, please ping the number in the description. There will be a WhatsApp link. You can directly get onto WhatsApp. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please support actual content creators who do something for the community. Don't get manipulated by. See you again in another video. And once again, guys, happy Ganesh Chaturthi.